like a Hellcat.
Hello guys and welcome back in my new video. As you guys know that the rainy season has already begun and nowadays everyone is craving a hot savory. So today I present to you a healthy solution to satisfy your temptation. So today I am going to make a Sooji waffle with lots of vegetables using a sandwich griller. The ingredients you are going to need to make the Sooji waffle are 1 cup of Sooji, 1 tablespoon of maida flour, some finely chopped carrots, capsicums, corianders and green chilies and onions if you like. Then you will need 3/4 cup of curd, and don't forget oil, butter or ghee to grease. The method to make the Sooji waffle is you need to soak the maida and the Sooji and the maida into curd for 30 minutes, but I have already prepared the batter for you guys. Now we are going to, let me keep it aside first. Now we are going to add all the chopped vegetables and salt. I'll use this spoon only. I'll just add some onions. I have added carrot, capsicum, onion, coriander and green chilies into the batter. So let's mix it. This looks yummy. The mixture is ready. Now we are supposed to add 1 spoon of ENO for fluffiness and softness of your waffle. Now we shall pour and spread the mixture in the preheated sandwich griller. But before I do that, I'll tell you that this much mixture is enough to make 3 to 4 waffles. Now let's begin with the recipe. Be careful while opening it. You can see that so much smoke, steam is coming out. Yum yum yum. You need to spread the mixture evenly so that the waffle turns out to be good. Now you need to brush some oil. And toast this. Now we shall wait for few minutes.
A few moments later.
Let's check the waffle. As you guys can see, the waffle is finally ready. You need to cook both sides of the waffle each for 3 to 4 minutes. This looks very yummy. Serve hot with ketchup or chutney. Okay guys, only this much for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, share and turn on the post notifications. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.